A stolen firearm and drugs were seized from a home in Springfield. Springfield Police Department spokesman Ryan Walsh told 22 News 2 children were inside the apartment at 155 Bay Street when officers conducted a search warrant Wednesday. Police seized 38 grams of cocaine, 15 rocks of crack cocaine, a high-capacity handgun, and dozens of rounds of ammunition. 26-year-old Alberto Morales is now facing multiple charges, including cocaine trafficking and reckless endangerment of a child. Walsh said a woman inside the home will receive a criminal complaint for her charges.